So, hi Miss Anjali, and I'm Maggie. This is our group one Malaysia. So today I will present about our project, the transform of the retail. So this is our table content. So firstly, I will present for the traditional retail. In traditional retail, the meaning of that is the traditional way of the selling item or service that is about from the physical shop. And is the older the traditional way to selling in between the customer and the seller. So by using the physical shop instead using geography location and the payment system also is like the cash, credit card, or debit card. So it also depends on the face-to-face between customer or retail. So for the next slide is a best analysis of the traditional retail. Firstly, it's a political issue. So I explain about for the generalization. When I want to start about the license, about the business, and so we need a license to open the shop. So you will also getting hard for the process to getting in the license also. The second is the economic factor of the traditional retail. So so far in the social economic growth and the customer income level also is depend on the customer when their ability to spend a traditional retail shop while inflation rate and the consumer confidence influence customer spending habits and retail product of the demand. So the third one is about the technology. So the e-commerce and the online retail also become coming for a very important factor about the traditional retail. The consumer lifestyle have been changed and the demographic trend also they have different between in the past away and until now. So we also the consumer behavior, lifestyle, and the taste that all will become the impact on the demand and supply. So the lastly is about for the social. Uh, uh, the, the social consumer also have been changed so far for now. So the next slide is about in navigation of the traditional retail. Consumer will spend a lot of time for looking for the item is the first very important issue for that because you spend a lot of time and then it's so hard to find the item when they are visit for the physical shop. The second one is consumer must travel a particular distance to get at the product. So you also very hard get to get into the physical shop. So we also have the need to spend a long of time and then you need to travel so far away to get at the product. Then the lastly is the stock is only open for the short time each of the day. It's not it's different from the online shop because the traditional shop is just open like for example it's 10 a.m. until the 10 p.m. After the 10 p.m. The shop will be closed, so we can't get the item in that day also. So I will pass on the second part to my groupmate Brian. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much, Ronkit. Now I'll be presenting about the opportunities of traditional retail. So first, we have tangible shopping environment, where the layout of a business and how things are displayed are important factors in enticing customers and directing them through their shopping journey. So retailers intentionally organize shelves, racks, and displays to create aesthetically appealing and user-friendly environments. Now, next is face-to-face customer service. Although internet reviews and live chat can provide buyers with information to assist them in making a purchase decision. Nothing beats connecting with experienced store personnel and who is sincerely wanting to help. And the third is omni-channel shopping experiences. E-commerce systems include a variety of services to improve the client experience. Customers may make informed purchasing decisions thanks to personalized recommendations, advanced search capabilities, and quick product comparisons. Online businesses can also provide user reviews and ratings, which can help customers make more informed purchasing decisions. Next. So now, how can e-commerce boost Malaysia's retail sector? Well, first is by digital marketing and advertising. This is particularly for younger generations like kids and teenagers, as these consumers are digital natives, many of whom have lives that are well documented on social media. So if you want to really captivate this audience, you need to give a reason on social media to check out your shop. Now, next is the customer experience. Since e-commerce systems include many kinds of services that help to improve the client experience, some of which is that customers may make informed purchasing decisions due to personalized recommendations that suit their personal needs, advanced search capabilities, and quick product comparison. Next. Now I'll be talking about the retail industry in government, Malaysian government initiatives and how they help retailers. So the first will be program Jualan Malaysia, where this program was launched in January and it was targeting 500 billion retail sales in that year. It was also aiming to support economic activities and the reopening of borders, as well as offer bargain sales, festive season sales, mega sales, and year-end sales. This program was also used to encourage close cooperation between the government and retail industry players. Now, next is economic recovery and the reopening of the borders. So, during this time, up to 10 million tourists from Singapore alone contributed to retail sales. It's estimated that RM 21 billion spent by Singaporeans tourists in the pre-pandemic period. Okay, next. Now I'll be talking about the offline versus online retail and how both of these really differ from each other. So for offline retail, there is firstly physical presence, where it requires a brick and mortar store where customers visit to make purchases. Then next is location importance. Uh, Store location is important, and as the accessibility of it plays a crucial role in attracting these customers. And lastly is tangible experience. So shoppers can physically interact with products, try them on, or even examine them before purchasing any of the products. Now, next is online retail. So with online retail, we have global reach. Since with the internet, online retailers can reach customers worldwide, transcending just normal geographical limitations. Next is convenience. Customers can shop anytime, anywhere, and you do not even need to travel anymore nowadays to get like items you want, for example. And now there's also wider product selection. So using an online platform, it can offer a vast range of products due to the absence of physical space constraints. Means you do not need to pay any warehousing cost or any of such, or open even a store even. So next slide. Okay, so here you can see um, like the difference between offline and online retail. This is just the data chart of the frequency of visiting shopping centers and the frequency of people visiting online retail stores. Okay, now I'll be passing it on to Mingjia to continue on with this presentation.
Okay, thank you, Brian. Now, next is smart retail. Okay, so the terms of smart retail describe the mixing of online and offline commerce through the digitalization of entire retail value chain to the advantage of both the retailer and to the consumer. Besides, smart retail combine computer version, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation, and advanced analytics to help business build a sort of physical stores. Next. So, Amazon Go is one of the smart retail. Amazon Go is a chain of cashless convenience stores developed and operated by Amazon. Amazon Go utilized advanced technologies such as computer vision, sensor function, and deep learning authoring to enable a seamless shopping experience without the need for traditional checkout process. Besides, Amazon Go Store collect a vast amount of data on consumer behavior, preference, and store operation. This data is analyzed to gain insights into customer preference, optimize inventory management, and improve the overall shopping experience. Amazon Go Store also eliminate the need for traditional checkout process. Like customer can enter the store using the Amazon Go app, pick up the item they want, and simply walk out. Next. Now let's move the PEST analysis of smart retail. So the first political factors, the first one is government regulations. Government policies and regulations can affect the implementation and adoption of smart retail technologies. For example, privacy and data protection laws, cybersecurity regulations, and restrictions on cross-border data transfer may impact the use of customer data in smart retail operations. Second, trade policy. International trade policy and agreement can influence the availability and cost of smart retail technologies and components, as well as impact supply chain and global partnerships. Economic factors. The first, economic stability, such as GDP growth, inflation rates, and consumer spending power can affect the demand for smart retail technologies. During economic downturns, business may reduce investment in technology, while in prosperous time, there may be higher adoption rates. The second, cost of technology. The cost of implementing and maintaining smart retail technologies such as sensor, IoT device, and artificial intelligence system can impact the profitability of adopting this solution. The third social factor, the first one is changing consumer behavior. Avoiding consumer preference such as a growing desire for personalized shopping experience and convenience can drive the adoption of smart retail technologies. Customers may also prioritize sustainable practices and expert retailers to use technology to reduce environmental impacts. The second is demographic shift. Factors like population, demographic, and lifestyle change can influence the demand for smart retail solutions. For example, younger generations may be more receptive to innovative technologies and online shopping experience. Now the next is technology factors. The first point is International of Things, as known as IoT. The proliferation of IoT devices enable retailers to collect real-time data, optimize inventory management, and enhance customer experiences. The growth of IoT infrastructure and connectivity plays a crucial role in enabling smart retail. The second point is digital payment system. The adoption of mobile payments, contactless payment method, and digital e-wallet has transformed the way customers make transactions. Smart retail leverage these technologies to streamline checkout process and enhance customer convenience. So this is all the past analysis of smart retail. So this is the retail pyramid. The retail pyramid is broken down into opportunities by smart retail, which also brings together buyers and sellers from different industry and different country. Yeah. So the first is international chains convenience store. In Malaysia, we have Mix, and then CU, and then the Circle K. Then the second is local convenience store in Malaysia. We have KK Mart, My News, and Bila Bila Mart, and 99 Smith Mart as well. So next I will pass to Brian.
It's Casey. We added.
Thank you, Mingjie. Hi, Yao Yi. I'm Cassie. I will be presenting transforming the retail environment. The first point is virtual reality and augmented realities, web offerings, interactions, products, demonstrations, and immersions shopping experience. The second will be seamless payment solutions such as through contactless payments, mobile wallets, which case is checkout process reduce functions of customer. The last point is enhance customer experience where it allows emissions and personality experience to online and offline. Next slide. The following slide will be the opportunity and threats of big data in the retail environment. The opportunity will have the 3 points. The first is customer insight. Big data available retails to gain that insights of behavior and purchasing patterns of customer. Second is pricing operations, whether retail are available to optimize pricing strategy or diminishes pricing while maintaining a competitive environments. The last point is operations effectiveness, which improves supply chain management and process such as logistics and distributions. The trick is the big data private and securities while they may be rich data pictures. The big quantity and integrations by ensures the data encouraged may be challenging will be affects the reliability and usefulness of insights drivers. The last point is overwhelming voice of data will sometimes is not easy to cope with large volume of data, which requires the advantage analysis tools to process insights. Next, can you help me to put next slide? Conclusion part. Next is our conclusions. To sum up, traditional retail is basically physical retail, which is defined according to the operations model of retail corresponding in innovative retail. For example, shopping mall, supermarkets, and mom and pop store. The process of transmits from traditional retail to omni-channels retail is a process in which physical retail and online retail respectively respond to omni-channels consumer. It is also a process for the two to make up for their own disadvantage and will eventually achieve meta interactions. In the new retail, it's basically on the internet to the big data, AI technology, and so on to upgrade the productions, distributions, skill, and another process of commodities. The data science can provide fundamental business value and assist enterprises to make better decisions. This will translate into a better customer experience, improved planning, logistics and pricing, and more accurate outlines of customer value. This is all for my today's. Next slide will be this is our references. And then next, do you have any questions?
How do you guys think this can be implemented into my business?
Okay, so I think that since your Flores is fully functioning online as of right now, using the ability to collect customer insights and enhancing your customer experience by making the website making your website more user-friendly or adding an AI chatbot to assist you with customer experience would be very beneficial for your online business right now. Are there any other questions?
Is there still a reason for traditional stores to still exist?
Yeah, for the reason of the why traditional retail store are designed to make still will be sent for now because it will to make people more easier to get the product faster and also allow consumer to know about what kind of they wanted and then what is their demand and for that so then for example in the flower shop yeah then we know what kind of the flower they wanted and what kind of the color is their selection. So for that, so I think they also will be more faster than the online and detail for that. Okay, thank you very much. Do you have any question, Miss?
No.
Okay, yeah, that's all from our group. So thank you very much for Miss Nyagi, and then thank you for the listen for our presentation today. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for this very informative presentation. I would say you guys did very well in presenting this topic. Although some of you did stutter a bit, overall it was good. I will definitely take this consideration when making decision on what to do with my online florist from now on.
Okay, thank you very much, Ms. Sang Yao Yi. Now we will stop the recording. Is that okay?